All right, now it's about that time we finally break down and talk about what's the best Air Jordan Maniere collab to release thus far, and we're gonna do it in today's video. I can't wait to see you guys' comments and your reactions, see what y'all thinking about what's the best one to drop this far. Let's get into today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We got something crazy in line for you guys these next couple of days. I got 3 early looks, you know what I'm saying? 3 early looks from 2023 Jordan brand exclusive. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for that. By subscribe right now if you're new, and hit the notification bell to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the content that is about to drop for you guys. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. I know you like the topic. Me myself, man, when I got asked a question from DJ Sneakerhead over at the DNA show, he said, what's the best one to drop? I said, you know what, let me put my own little spin to it. Let me see what my supporters is feeling as far as Maniere and Jordan collab. And yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys' comments. And if you guys are interested in buying anything in a size 8 through 9.5, make sure you guys go tap into my closet, DaVintage_closet. Link down below in the description box. Let's go for some crazy steals and some deals. All right, so as you can see, man, we have the 1s, we have the 2s, the 4s, and we have the 12s that are coming out this upcoming year. We're gonna break down every single one of these pairs, and the pair that I don't have, which is the Air Jordan 3 Maniere, we're still gonna put a picture up here talking about it. I know a lot of people still like the 3s being their most favorite, you know, Maniere and Jordan collaboration. So we're gonna talk about it, put a couple pictures up, and see what we feeling about it. All right, so first things first, man, we have one of my favorite silhouettes. Actually, this is my favorite silhouette, the Jordan 1, and this is the collab that Maniere came together with Jordan and made a masterpiece. Now, these right here don't get the proper respect that it deserves. I don't know what happened, but they kind of look just like every other one of the Maniere and Jordan collabs. I just think that the hype wasn't there. I don't think that the marketing push like that we got for the last couple of Manieres is there. And something else that I probably think would kind of hurt the Jordan 1 is that we've been getting so many Jordan 1 colorways, and people was kind of shying away from copping the Maniere Jordan 1s. But these right here is super unique. You guys can see you got the snake skin going around the back, and if you peel back the lacing system of these guys, you still see that snake skin behind the lacing system, which is super dope if you ask me. And along with the snake skin on the upper of the heel, you also get it on the Nike swoosh on the outer and on the inner of these Jordan 1s, and it just makes these pop that much more. And that Nike swoosh just goes perfectly with the crackle leather going around the entire Air Jordan 1, making these one of the hottest collabs from Maniere and Jordan, in my opinion. All right, guys, next we have the Air Jordan 2s. Now, this one right here definitely is probably top 2 or top 3 in a lot of people's lists. 2s have been growing on a lot of people. I just feel like when you put different collabs like the Mason Chateaus, and even J Balvin had his own little twist on the Air Jordan 2s, I think more people are gravitating towards it, and we about to get one of the best 2s ever released, the best 2 if you ask me, which is the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's releasing this upcoming Friday. So I think all that played into effect with these right here. People starting to say they like 2s more. Maybe it's just a collab thing, or maybe they actually are starting to love the Air Jordan 2 and just doing history and seeing the significance of the Air Jordan 2 model. Something cool about these, man, just like on the Air Jordan 1s, that snakeskin material, you have it on the entire midsole of these Air Jordan 2s, which is crazy. And on the back, you get that wine or violet colorway on the back with Maniere, and you have a translucent back tab near the midsole of these Air Jordan 2s right here. This is probably the next sneaker I gotta rock. Like, I keep on telling you guys, I gotta pull some more sneakers out of the collection because I don't get enough wears, but this is probably the next one in this shoot to get a dope fit out of. Go ahead and step out, flex in my Air Jordan 2 Manieres, and these right here is crazy. You guys let me know what you think. All right, guys, and next you guys see I'm put a picture up here, the Air Jordan 3 Maniere is probably number 1 or 2 on a lot of people's lists. Probably leaning more towards the 3s if you ask me, just because that is the first one to drop. It was a women's exclusive, but I do think that they extended the sizes, because I know a lot of people wore like size 13, and men having a pair of Air Jordan 3 Manieres. But those right here, man, super dope. It's kind of like the first one, the originator, if I'm not mistaken. And when I did see them in hand, I just felt like they just went crazy with it. And usually when we talking like the OG of something, like the originator, the 3s being the first Maniere collab, that plays a little bit of factor as well of people picking those as a favorite. And Air Jordan 3 Maniere is going for the most on the resale market compared to all of the other Maniere Jordan collabs. All right, guys, and next we have the Air Jordan 4 Years in that violet or colorway. If you guys do not know, this is my #2 pickup of the year, #1 sneaker to release this year, and I just had to have it. When I seen it at the beginning of the year, I said, you know what, I don't care if I don't, hit for retail. It was like 3 drops for this sneaker right here. Took L's on all of it, but I had to pay resale, and I didn't mind it because this is one of the shoes like I had to have it. I definitely got to rock it, get some dope fits out of it. And I know so many people down below in the comment section when I dropped the top 10 sneakers of the year, they said that these are better than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. So you can guys put all that into consideration when you picking what's the best collab silhouette that Jordan Brand and Maniere did. You gotta put the 4s up there, being that 1 or 2. I gotta see what you guys are feeling about it, but check them out, man. You got the Nike Air on the back, you got the Age midsole going all around, that off-white cell colorway. Another cool thing that they did with the Maniere Air Jordan 4 is they had people that wanted the sneaker submit videos talking about social issues going on that need more recognition, and enter them into winning a pair of Air Jordan 4 Manieres for retail. I thought that was super dope. Dope message. And like it says on the shoes, it's not about the shoes, it's about where you're going. And last but not least, definitely not least, we have the Air Jordan 12 Manieres, and this shoe right here broke the internet right here. I'm telling y'all, I'm not saying that everybody loved it, but when people seen the images, people was like either trashing it or people was loving it. But something I don't think a lot of people know is that this is like an actual like velvet material over here. It's not like a cheap nubuck. It's not like a cheap suede. They put like some real nice velvet material on the outer and that violet colorway. It looks more like burgundy mixed with a little bit of, Bordeaux vibes. But I'm telling y'all, the quality on this joint is crazy. The leather quality is nice. And of course, you get your Maniere tag on the back of the heel. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and they went crazy with the Air Jordan 12 Maniere. I know a lot of people said that these are better than the 3s. I'm like, I don't know about all that, but it's definitely up there. Super nice sneaker. I'm gonna show you guys some B-roll of this, but just know the full view and on feet of the Air Jordan 12 Maniere is becoming very soon. Stay tuned. So now that we showed you guys every single one of the Maniere sneakers that has released this far, I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, man, which one you're rocking out with the most. It's gonna be a lot of people coming to this video that don't know anything about the Maniere and Jordan collabs. So let us know down below which one is your favorite. Let us know why it is, because I know, man, it's gonna be a lot of discussion going on, because me myself, I'm gonna be down there responding to every single comment. So go ahead and let me know all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section, and I'm gonna keep that same energy all 2023. The best Maniere and Jordan silhouette to me has to be the Air Jordan 4 Maniere. It's just something about that full upper being that violet or colorway. Mostly all the other silhouettes were like a predominantly like sail or off-whitish colorway. Even the Maniere Air Jordan 3s. But when it went crazy with the whole violet or upper, man, I said, yeah, I gotta have them. I fell back in love with sneakers at the beginning of the year when I seen these. And like I said earlier in the video, this was definitely a must-have shoe for me. And it was almost #1 for my pickups of the year 2022. I appreciate all the support, man. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell. We got some early looks coming, 3 of them things. So make sure you stay tuned by hitting the notification bell. And please do a huge like on today's video. We on that grind of 100K. We right around the corner from 70. And I appreciate all of the support you guys have been showing. We're gonna keep rocking, keep pushing out this content, and keep growing together, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. And like I said, man, drop those comments. I'm gonna be responding to every single one. I can't wait. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.